Okay, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be talking about two words, chuffed and gutted. Now these two words are very simple, but they're used a lot, so let's get started. The first word is chuffed. This means happy or pleased. So you could say, for example, I got an A in the test, I'm well chuffed. I'm well chuffed. So notice there the word well. This is used just to add emphasis, and this is a very common part of British English, or British English slang, should I say. Well to mean so or very. So well chuffed means very happy. You could say, oh, it's well good, or it's well bad. Okay, now you can use well to add emphasis, but alternatively, you could say something else. You could say, chuffed to bits. I'm chuffed to bits. And if you say this, it's just the same as saying well chuffed. So for example, I was chuffed to bits when I scored the winning goal. I was chuffed to bits when I scored the winning goal. Listen again to the pronunciation of this. Chuffed to bits. Okay, so the two in the middle, hopefully you can hear that. We don't say to, we say t. Chuffed to bits. Okay, so that's chuffed. The next word we were going to look at was gutted. This means upset, disappointed, or devastated. I'm gutted I didn't get to see you before you left. I'm gutted I didn't get to see you before you left. Okay, now this word is quite strong meaning. It means very upset, very disappointed. But because it's used so commonly, it has lost some of its force. So if you feel very upset or very disappointed and gutted is not strong enough, then you can add another word to it to make it stronger. You can add the word absolutely. If you add absolutely to this word, gutted, it makes it much stronger. So to add emphasis, I was absolutely gutted when my dog died. I was absolutely gutted when my dog died. So you weren't just a little bit upset, you were devastated, you were crying your eyes out. Okay, now, gutted can also be used to mock or to taunt someone who has experienced misfortune. So, for example, oh, I think I left my phone on the bus. Gutted. Now, here, gutted sounded a little different. I didn't pronounce the T's. I said gutted. This is just the most common pronunciation of this word in British slang. You don't have to say this yourself, but so long as you can understand it, that's fine. Okay, now this is pretty impolite. It's, as I said, it's to mock someone, so you shouldn't really say this too often. It's only really okay if you're saying it to your friends and you're joking, and they know you're joking. Otherwise, if you say this to someone you don't know, then they would take offence. Okay, that's it for today. I'd like you to go away and practice these words. Hopefully you can see the differences between them and how to use them properly. And if you can use these words correctly, then I'll be well chuffed. Alright, see you next time.